Cement production begins in vast quarries where raw materials like limestone are extracted from the earth. Massive trucks transport tons of freshly quarried limestone to the crushing plant. Clay, another essential raw material, is carefully excavated and added to the mix. At the factory, various raw materials are stockpiled and segregated for controlled processing. Giant jaw crushers begin the process by reducing large chunks of limestone into smaller, manageable pieces. Inside the primary crusher, powerful jaws relentlessly pulverize the raw limestone. Crushed stones are then conveyed to the next stage for further size reduction. Massive industrial buildings house the secondary grinding mills, where materials are refined even further. Within these mills, colossal horizontal ball mills continuously rotate to grind the raw materials. Steel balls tumble inside, pulverizing the materials into an incredibly fine powder. Vertical roller mills use immense pressure to efficiently grind the raw mix into a homogeneous meal. This finely ground raw meal is then stored in vast homogenization silos, ensuring a consistent blend. Advanced dust collection systems work continuously to separate fine particles and maintain air quality. A sophisticated control room monitors every stage of the cement manufacturing process. The towering multi-stage cyclone preheater begins the thermal transformation of the raw meal. Finely ground raw meal gracefully cascades into the preheater, commencing its journey through heat. Inside the cyclones, hot gases efficiently preheat the raw meal, removing moisture and initiating chemical changes. The precalciner further heats the raw meal, converting calcium carbonate before it reaches the main kiln. Glowing red, the intensely preheated raw meal enters the monumental rotary kiln. The massive rotary kiln slowly turns, subjecting the raw material to extreme temperatures. Inside the kiln, a roaring flame creates an inferno, reaching temperatures up to 2,000 degrees Celsius. Within this intense heat, the raw meal undergoes a critical chemical reaction, forming clinker. Incandescent clinker, the semi-finished product, spectacularly discharges from the kiln's end. A grate cooler rapidly brings down the temperature of the searing hot clinker using controlled airflow. After cooling, the clinker emerges as hard, dark, irregular nodules, ready for the next phase. The cooled clinker is then transported on conveyor belts to storage or further processing. Vast mountains of clinker are stored in the factory yard, awaiting final grinding. Gypsum and other additives are precisely combined with the clinker to achieve desired cement properties. Another set of powerful ball mills grinds the clinker and additives into the final cement powder. Alternatively, immense roller presses efficiently pulverize the clinker into fine cement. The result is an ultra-fine, uniform gray powder, the finished Portland cement. Rigorous laboratory quality control ensures every batch of cement meets stringent industry standards. The finished cement is then stored in monumental silos, awaiting distribution. Fine cement powder is blown into these silos, filling them to immense capacities. Bulk cement is efficiently loaded directly into specialized trucks for large-scale distribution. Automated packing machines swiftly fill and seal cement into branded paper bags. These filled cement bags are then transported by conveyor belts to the palletizing area. Robotic arms precisely stack the heavy bags onto pallets, optimizing efficiency and safety. The finished palletized cement is stored in expansive warehouses, ready for dispatch. Finally, trucks laden with bagged cement depart the factory, delivering this essential building material to the world.